Okay, let's take a look at problem number 1 in the problems for further study. So here we are asked to show graphically how a change in both supply and demand in the same direction could produce each of these results. In A, we want to show a price decrease and a quantity traded decrease. B, the price is unchanged, but the quantity traded decreases. And in C, price increases and quantity traded decreases. So in all three, the quantity traded decreases, but we're having different things happen to the price. So let's switch over here. Okay, so for the price decrease and quantity traded decrease, we're going to start off with supply 1 and demand 1. So right here would be our original equilibrium. So then imagine that the supply decreases. So that supply curve shifts to the left here. So as the supply decreases, that's going to cause the price to increase. As that price increases, then us as consumers, we don't want as much of this product now because it costs more. So we are going to demand less. So the demand curve is going to shift to the left from D1 to D2. So as this happens, the price decreases. And finally, it settles right here at the new equilibrium, S2 and D2. So right here was going to be our new equilibrium. This new one has a price that's lower than originally, and the quantity traded is lower than originally. Okay, in number 2, the price is unchanged, quantity traded decreases. So again, we start here at the intersection of S1 and D1. Then for whatever reason, supply decreases, so it shifts to the left. As that happens, the price increases. That price increase again is going to mean that us as consumers don't want to buy it as much now. So we're going to cause the demand curve to shift from D1 to D2. It's going to shift to the left. It's going to decrease. So as the demand decreases, the price is going to decrease. And it's going to stop right here at the new intersection of S2 and D2. And the result is going to be that the price is the same as it was before, but the quantity traded has decreased. Finally, in the third scenario, the price increases, quantity traded decreases. So again, we start here at S1 and D1 intersection. Supply decreases. As that happens, the price goes up. As the price goes up, we don't want as much. Demand goes down. It settles here at the new equilibrium of S2 and D2. The end result here is that the price is higher than the original price is here, the new price is here. So the price is higher and the quantity demanded is lower. So in either of these cases, the quantity demanded always decreases. But what happens to the price depends on how much the changes, like what changes take place. So here, the quantity demanded decreases more than the quantity supplied. And you can see that visually by the distance between the original supply line and the new one is less than the difference between the original demand line and the new one. Here, there's an equal change in both, and because the change is the same in both, the price stays the same. And here, the quantity demanded decreases less, and the quantity supplied decrease is more. So depending on what happens, the price could be less, the same, or higher, but the quantity demanded will always be less.